Hello, Manalewski. I hope you had a great day at school today. Um, I'm going to do a lesson with you today so that you can have a little bit of a refresher and so that you can practice some more with our fact families. Okay, so this is just a little thing I have on my computer that you can get on your computer too. I'll show Mom how to do it. And you have just different counters over here. You can make them all different shapes. So you can have any different kind of counters you want. Penguins, frogs, butterflies, ladybugs, all that good stuff. You can change the colors of them. So fun, right? Yeah, I thought so too. I use this whenever I taught first grade. All right, but for right now, just so we can stay a little focused, we're just going to go to the regular colors. And honestly, we're not going to use these just yet. We're going to do using the pencil to draw so that you can see me going through the lesson. So what we're going to do is start with our fact family. So just like we talked about yesterday, and we always have to have our three numbers for our fact family. So we're going to start with our numbers for our fact family. So we have 5, 8, and what would my last number be for this fact family? Hopefully you told me my favorite number, 13. Okay, so now we have to have two addition sentences, number sentences. So we have our first addition, our second addition number sentence. Then what kind of sentence do we need to have next? Another addition? No. We need what? Subtraction. Subtraction action. Okay, now, are we done? Hopefully you said no. We need another subtraction sentence. All right, so now we're ready to go. We can rock and roll this. We have 5, 8, and 13. So 5, 8, 13. What would my first number sentence be? We can start with either one. Let's start with 5. 5 plus 8 equals 13. Remember, this 5, that is an addend. Plus 8, an addend, equals 13, which is your total or your sum. If I did 5 plus 8 equals 13, what could another addition number sentence be? I hope you said it. I'm sure you did because you're so smart. 8 plus 5 equals 13. All right, we are set and ready to go with our addition. What about the subtraction? What do you know about subtraction? You are taking away. Well, if I have the numbers 5, 8, and 13, can I start with a smaller number like 5 and say 5 minus 8 equals 13? Let's think about that. If I have 5 counters, actually, let me put this back over there because it's easier to just, it's not going away. Okay, that's fine. We'll use that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if I have 5 counters, here's my 5. There's my 5 counters. Can I take away 8 from this to make 13? Let's see. If I take away, let me just put an X on them. 1. Ha! That wasn't working for me. I have to get the pen again. 1 memento. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. Do I have any more to take away? No, because I only had 5. And if I'm going to try taking 8 away, can I do that and make 13? So what number do I need to start with? Hint, hint, it's my favorite number. What is it? 13. You got it. So 13 minus, let's start with 5. So 13 minus 5. So 13 take away 5. We should know this right away. We shouldn't even need our counters because we have our fact family. 13 minus 5. Oh, 13, 5. Who did we forget about? The number 8. And you also know that's part of your fact family because if I would reverse this, Madison, and I said, okay, I know that 13 minus 5 equals 8, or I think it does. If I did 8, and I put a plus sign in here, 8 plus 8 here, plus 5, would that give me 13? Sure does, because addition and subtraction, it's the opposite of each other. So that's one way that you can always check yourself, just to make sure. But I don't want that to confuse you. So if that's confusing, let's just take that away for right now, okay? Just ignore that part if that's confusing. Okay, let's get our another subtraction number sentence. What number am I going to start with? You got it, 13. So I have 13 minus 8 equals 5. Awesome. So now, have we completed our fact family? We sure have. We have our 2 addition and 2 subtraction number sentences. We finished our fact family. And you get a big star and a woohoo and a big smiley face because you did awesome. All right, now, guess what? It's time for you to do some work. I'm done doing the work right now. It is your turn.